Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this stewed jackfruit. It's a great substitute for stewed chicken and other various Caribbean inspired stew based dishes. So first I'm starting out with 1 can of drained jackfruit. I'm adding some oil to this, followed by some Caribbean curry powder and some soy sauce. I allow this to marinate for about 10 to 20 minutes, nothing too long, and I put this aside until I'm ready. To a saucepan, I've added 3 tablespoons of oil on medium-high heat. I saute my onion, bell pepper, I like to use red, and some chopped tomatoes. Then you can add in some scallion or some green onion, followed by some more soy sauce, 1 vegan stock cube, and I like to crush the stock cube so that the flavour gets everywhere, and add in some all-purpose seasoning, tomato paste. Cook this down for 8 to 10 minutes for the flavours to truly come through, and then you can add in some coconut milk, followed by some water, some brown sugar and some browning, some garlic paste, salt to taste, and here I begin to hand blend the ingredients together to make the sauce a little bit thicker, and this helps the flavours to really come through instead of having clumps of different ingredients. You can use fresh or you can use tinned jackfruit, but just make sure you give it a really good rinse and take out all of the seeds. And then now I'm adding in the jackfruit pieces. I let this sit for about 5 minutes just so that the flavours can lock into the jackfruit, and then afterwards I loosen this mixture with some more coconut milk. That is the recipe pretty much completed. You can add in some fresh chili. I remember this day I added in some green chilies just for some extra spice, or cayenne pepper. Remember that a recipe is just a guide and you can add what you want. This video is for all of you that have asked me to do some vegan alternatives. If you have any more suggestions, you can DM me on Instagram or leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!